What's going on, guys? Welcome back to Frost Garage. So as I said in the last video, we was going to do an unboxing video on my new Harbor Freight roll cart here. So guys, let's go ahead and get this stuff unboxed and check it out and see what they look like. Okay guys, so this is everything that's in the box. You got the main cabinet right there. Alright, and then you got your Ford casters. They came in the bottom drawer. The legs going down to the bottom shelf and everything that the legs mount to. Some more braces. I had to look and see where those go. A little side shelf, it looks like, for the cabinet. A couple more brackets, the bag of bolts here, and then the bottom shelf. So I had to go ahead and get to assembling it all together. You also have your handle and your two struts for your top. So I gotta go ahead and get all together and get this assembled. So I'm gonna set y'all back to the side and work on piecing it together. Okay guys, so I got the box complete now. Took a little while to get it all together. Tip of advice when you go to assemble yours, if you get one, leave the bottom bolts loose. That way you can kind of move the legs a little bit, get everything in position. Just helps you with getting it together. There's also a handle that goes here, but I didn't want the handle sticking out. I mean, there's a big enough lip right there, you can just grab it. All you gotta do, lift it up like that, and the shocks will take over, lift it the rest of the way up. So I moved a lot of my essentials that I'm gonna grab a lot into the top. So you got screwdriver rack on the left and right of the box. So I put just all my Phillips over here and all my flatheads over here, as well as just my bit driver. Put my bits on a magnet back there. So yeah, this is gonna be all my essentials, just quick little ratchet wrenches, since I'm always having to grab just wrenches. And then basically my 3/8 stuff I'm gonna use the most. Just so it's right here in the roll cab, I can roll it to whatever I'm working on and have the stuff I use most often right there in front of me. So next drawer down, I went ahead, and this is just like stuff for securing things. So I got self-tapping screws, clamps to hold wires or tubing or anything like that 2 frame rails and stuff, and of course everyone's best friend when they're working on stuff, zip ties and your electrical tape, some sticky tape, and just some regular masking tape. So that's all my like securing and holding stuff in that drawer. What I got in here, this is basically my electrical drawer, and some of my little assorted stuff like pocket screwdriver, tread depth gauge, and that little bit of stuff. But yeah, so I got heat shrink, and some terminal connectors, as well as a cheap voltmeter. Then we'll move down to the next one. And I need to put some more stuff in here, but just my hammers and pry bars, stuff that I might need to grab real quick to get something moved out the way or not in. And then just in the bottom I got the pliers drawer with oil filter wrenches and hose clamp pliers there. So of course more is going to go in here. This is just some stuff I threw in real quick that I knew I'd need pretty often. I didn't put nothing in here yet. Might just end up holding like my 3/8 unpack or something like that. You also get this little side cabinet here. So you put a box of gloves or put your WD-40 and different assorted cans down there. And then also you got the storage down there in the bottom too, that you can put stuff as well. So yeah, that's pretty much going to be it, guys. Overall, I'm happy with the box. It looks pretty good, matches my other box and everything, and it's going to just hold the essentials, make it easier for me to roll around and just have stuff right there as I'm working on it. So again, guys, if you like this kind of content and stuff, like, subscribe down below, and check me out in the next video. Have a good one, guys.